This cat is going to be murdered.
We're on the train. I have dippy French glasses.
Yes, you did.
Hey. I don't know if I can see you. There we go.
Oh, hey.
Yeah, it's early. What time is it?
It's 10 to 7.
10 to 7. I don't care. We got hot chocolate at McDonald's. No, at a unnamed restaurant because we don't endorse advertisement. Sure.
It's clearly sent by the cup.
They can't see this. Whoever they are.
Guys, I clicked onto my images and, you know, that came up.
Why is this thing taking forever?
Oh, the train. Oh, the streaks. Oh, it just sent. Oh.
What was that? Get swifty.
Oh, look at the view. It's so steamy outside.
It's not steamy, it's called Scotch mist.
Yeah.
Yeah, look, there's a piss Scotsman.
There's piss Scotsman wherever you go. It's Scotland.
It's missed. I think I missed it.
No. That sucks. I'm tired.
This one wouldn't get up this morning.
I don't do mornings.
This one wouldn't get up.
You wouldn't get up.
I was up. I was in the shower. I was up. Just on my phone.
I'm doing the bed sheet still.
I picked that up wrong.
It's gonna agree.
Aaron, get in. Aaron, lean in.
Yay. Thumbnail. I'll put it right there. Vlog part 1 on the
Day
train.
0.
Day 0. Day 0 of Glasgow Comic Con.
Where's Lance? Lance, I want to be here. It's Keith. It's Keith.
Yes, in Scotland we actually have a place called Keith.
I know several people who live in Keith called Keith. We have Keith.
I am Keith.
You're not from Keith though.
I'm not
You
from
are
Keith.
Keith.
I am Keith.
I'm Hunk.
Then we have the fabulous Shiro that keeps going
Apparently.
missing.
I have a lot of business duties. My hat's just fallen over. I have a lot of business duties to fulfill in the space-time universe. Is this my one? Hunk, do you believe him?
No, he's bullshit.
Of course
Yes.
you don't. You don't love me at all.
You don't bring us food, so no. What do you call this?
An M-nest.
This.
Marky.
That's not food. This. Why do you have an axe?
It's Wendy. You gave it to me to give to Wendy.
You could probably do what the fuck is going on?
This train is for
This is
Annie.
Keith.
The next stop is Cosplay.
This is Keith. This is Keith.
No,
This.
we're at Keith. We're
This
at
is Keith.
No, we're
This
at
is Keith. This is Keith.
I am Keith.
This is Keith.
No.
This is Keith.
Yes.
This is Keith and this is Keith.
Did you
This
realize
is
you're
all
telling
Keith.
them exactly what happened?
There's people on the train now, so I have to be careful while I'm filming.
You guys can make me
We're
go?
painting you gold. We're painting you gold.
Yes. Even though I'm not with it 100%. Or you do.
Bye, Keith.
We're on the second train. We're on the second train.
I'm
She's
reading
not-
a thing that she gave me, and I can't read it because I'm like weird.
Oh yeah, that's what you quite figure out.
Which story?
Raven.
Oh yeah. Nice.
Fun.
I didn't zoom in on your face.
Of course you did.
Yeah.
I'm reading, and it's like just reading.
Focus. Focus.
I can't.
Focus. Not you.
I can't focus.
Not you.
So when I look
Video cameras.
when I
It's new, so I gotta try and get used to it. My hair looks atrocious without the beanie. Yes, it does. I'm a fangirl. I'm listening to FNAF music.
You're a
'Cause I'm
nerd.
I'm a nerd, okay?
I'm a nerd.
That theorizes.
I'm a nerd. I'm a nerd. We're all nerds here. Oh my god.
I know, right? He's showing us Stanford fanfiction.
Yeah, it's so sad. I love that picture, I really want to do that. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but I like it. Just stop zooming in my face. I'm doing that with Alex.
He's like, oh my god. Why didn't it zoom in even further?
You guys love that one. You don't like the art style, but you like that one.
I like the idea, but I don't like the art style. It's just too realistic.
Yeah.
I mean, it's good art. Which way does this turn? Okay.
Don't know why.
Look at that lights. That lights.
What I really love about the I Got No Time song.
Do you know what I really love about it? It goes from the boys' perspective to the animatronics point of view, and then I think it goes back to the boy. I can't remember, but it's interesting how they play on it. Really? Bill. Bill, you evil triangle. Get out of my brother, you evil triangle. Never. I'm always inside him. None that way. Mainly because I have a headcanon. Have I explained the headcanon? I don't know. They'll see it in a CMV anyway.
And that one always makes me cry. It's official, I'm actually getting Stan this time. Oh, burn. It's official. It's official. My mom doesn't know about it, but it's official.
We're crazy. We're crazy people. Well, we have to be if we do all this. Look how pretty it is outside. It's all foggy, but it's so pretty.
The nail's like actually breaking. Like, look. Look at it.
You've broken your nail.
So, here we go.
This grunkle glued this nail on the wrong way and is trying to get it off.
Got it. The man.
Ow. We're doing your nails and now it's just drying. It's drying. You can't do anything. You have to help me put the battery in, but you have to be really careful to not get your nails wet.
They look so shiny.
And they're not even finished yet. Not focusing. Not focusing at all. Is it not? Ah! You get the idea. Wrong way.
I can't use anything now.
We found fellow nerds. And we're so happy. They're sitting over there and they're going to Comic-Con. You got a picture with them. I will paste it over your face somewhere. I'm Bella happy. She's wearing a mod of me. You're too happy about this. My hat's coming off.
Look at this t-shirt. Look at it. Put that cover on fire.
He sounds so ridiculous every time I say that.
We won't show them, but there's the ears over there.
You can see the ears.
What did I just click? I just clicked something I don't know what I clicked. How long until we meet the rest of R.E.A.L? We're still at school. Yeah, they're still at school. We left Ilsa, Holly, and Alex at school.
Hello! We're here! We're here! We're here! Yeah! 11:18! Wow! It's 11:18! 11:18 in the morning. And we are here. Finally! We started at 6 o'clock. We started at 6 o'clock and 5 hours later we are here. See, I told you it would take 5 hours to get here. Now we need to find my nanny. Yeah, take time to get my car. I hope you can hear this. Shut up!
Go for it. Prima donna girl.
Yeah.
This is what happens when you unpack.
Wait for it. Yeah! Yeah! Stand with goggles on.
I can see you.
Shaking that ass!
You're closer than I expected.
No!
You're closer than I expected.
Yeah!
Rhiannon. I'm totally not zooming in.
You totally are.
This cat is going to be murdered.
Look at Tommy Cooper.
You do look you look like Tommy Cooper. That's what I keep on being told I look like.
Whoa!
Tommy Cooper.
No!
I need to sit down.
My mask.
Bless you. It's Rick's hair color.
My mask
That's
is
fine.
blue.
Let's see.
My mask is blue. I have to go get emergency black and white.
Nah.
Okay, my bag doesn't smell of whiskey, so it's okay. Guys, it kind of survived.
Kinda. A little bit.
Just the rock in the inside.
Oh well.
Shit.
Everything is blue.
Don't ask about hair.
Your hair looks awesome.
That volume, that majesticness, that fabulousness, and then there's Dipper.
Hello. I'm not making a moment. Please refrain from filming.
No.
See, if I type ginger and pick that font, I look like fucking syndrome.
No, it's not syndrome, it's incredible.
Yeah, I'm a crib boy.
Okay, guys, that was perfect. Do that again.
Can't be stupid with that. I invented these. I can fly. Can you fly? Fly over.
It's not Buddy, it's
Superboy.
Astro Boy?
Superboy.
No.
Oh no, it's Incrediboy!
Incredible. God, get the facts straight.
You didn't get it right either.
It's not syndrome, it's Incredible.
Why do I want now to do an Incredibles?
No!
It's not a phase, Mom.
Oh, this is a cool one. Where is my super suit?
What do you mean?
Where
There's my
is
super
my
suit.
super
It's
suit?
called your ass.
Throw it away. Where? Why do you need it? Yeah, no, this is gonna
Wait, his name is Lucius? His
Lucius.
name, first one's name is Lucius.
Y'all.
And then the wife's just called Honey.
Honey!
What?
Where is my super suit?
What?
You can tell I'm tired. I can't hold the camera straight.
Super suit?
I have put it away.
Where?
A helicopter explodes outside. Why do you need to know?